Zamboanga, a grenade attack on a mosque in the troubled southern Philippines killed 2 people early Wednesday, authorities said, just days after a vote backing Muslim self-rule in the region. The blast tore through the building as the victims were sleeping in the pre-dawn darkness on the island of Mindanao, which is home to the Philippines' Muslim minority. Blood-streaked prayer mats and shattered glass could be seen on the floor inside the mosque, where heavily armed security forces were standing guard. Footage from the scene showed. The blast came as the Catholic-majority nation was on high alert after a cathedral bombing claimed 21 lives at Sunday Mass. The mosque was attacked in Zamboanga City, authorities said, adding they had no indication so far it was retaliation for the cathedral bombing. "We're still looking at it, but we have not found any connection," Defense Secretary Delvin Lorenzana told reporters. In the past, when churches were bombed, there were no revenge attacks. Authorities have not publicly identified any suspects, and no one has claimed responsibility for the mosque attack. The attack drew immediate condemnation from authorities. "There is no redeeming such blasphemous murder. It is the highest form of cowardice and obscenity to attack people who at prayer," said regional leader Mujib Hataman. "We call on people of all faiths to come together to pray."